Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a real account on MetaTrader 5. Open the app. Once inside MetaTrader 5, you will see three dots upper left corner of the app. Click on it and you will be presented with options to log into existing account or open a demo account. However, since you want to open a real account, click on Message tab and choose the option to register. You will be redirected to the MQL5 website, which is affiliated with MetaTrader. Here, you can opt to sign in using your Google account, select your Gmail, and after a brief moment, you will be directed to the account creation page. Next, keep an eye on your email inbox. You should receive a confirmation email from MetaTrader 5. Once you find it, open the email inside. You will find your account login details along with an active account option. Click this link to activate your account. Now that your account is successfully created, return to the MetaTrader 5 app. Click on the message icon there. It will allow you to enter your recently created account credentials, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.